Today I'm playing my ice cream truck with my Barbie dolls. Look how it opened, guys. It has every stuff in it with ice cream donuts. And it has ice lollies. It has like this, strawberries. Oh, and it also has sprinkles too. It has sprinkles. I know it can't open, but it can't. And I got some chocolate with a bowl, with spoons, and this is also with this. Got that, and it also got this that comes with it, and it has markers with it you can draw. Like I want ice cream, or we have donuts too. We have some drinks, and we also have a dishwasher, and just look what it can do. Whoops. My bad, guys. And this is what it can do. It can do this, or it can do this. And we have some chairs and everything. You can drive like that. It has pedals and everything. Has pedals. And this is the Barbie doll. Hello, guys. I'm driving an ice cream truck. Now, I wonder what these buttons are for. These are really cool. And there's something else that comes with the ice cream truck. And that's paper towel when there's ice cream all over your face. And it also has where donuts can go. And it has money for 25, for 25, 5, 10, and it also got this little ices, and it also got these little ice creams. We put them back. Gotta find out where they was in the spot, and I'll put it back. Okay, and we found all of that, and I know I can't find the others, and we got some colored sprinkles, and we also got this tray where donuts can go, and at this tray, and we put it back, and can even put it in here for it to, okay, let me, cook the donuts. Oops, my bad, Daddy. Okay, I must put them in the oven now. Okay, and let's put them in the oven. Let's put them in there. Okay, let it cook. Okay, let me make some ice cream. Okay, and someone's coming to get the ice cream. I hope they enjoy it. And it also can, steer the steering wheel. It also got windows. Windows. I know the doors can't open, but the back doors can't open either. And the back can open, close. Open, close. See? And this is what you can do. Close, open, when somebody's coming to that door. Open, close. See? Open, close. And let's open that back up. Whoops. And we also got these drinks where someone has some. And someone's coming to the ice cream truck. Oops. Hello, we just want to have an ice cream. Okay. Do you have carry-on? Yeah, we have carry-on. We We got caviar ice cream. What about Ginger? Ginger. I don't know why she says Ginger, but her name is Bridget. Do you see her? Yeah. She has pink hair. Wow, look at this nice ice cream truck. Yeah, it's really nice, right? No, you can't go in there, right? We gotta go. Go? Do you want to stay and talk? Well, yeah, we have to go now. Well, I'm cooking donuts in the oven. Really? Yeah. Oh my God, just all over our face. Can we have paper towel? Sure. It's all over Carolina's face. Oh, her name is Carolina? Yeah. Well, that's her new student in there? Yeah, she's in my school. Really, I put her in school so that she can, so, yeah. We got some other things in the ice cream truck. Really? And guys, we got other ones in the ice cream truck. We got, we got these that we can put on. And, we have this. Feel something. Just these. We have a white ice cream. Vanilla. Let me see what they got. Is that what I'm looking for? Got this one, chocolate. We got chocolate, this one. This one's chocolate. I know I put everything in there, guys. But, we have some pink ice cream. And we have paper towel. I know it's fake, it can't come out. Got chocolate ice cream, we got vanilla. So, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you just subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching Leila's Toys.